So if you have clicked on this video, I assume that you are searching for a crypto exchange that you want to invest through. It doesn't matter whether you are a new crypto investor or you've already invested in crypto through any other exchange before. This video is helpful for all those who are crypto enthusiasts or new crypto investors. I've created a list of top 5 crypto exchanges in India. The first one is Binance, the second one is CoinDCX, the third one is CoinSwitchKuber, the fourth one is WazirX, and the fifth one is Vault. I'm not sure whether you've heard of Vault before. Vault is a crypto exchange that helps you create fixed deposits for your investment. For example, you own 10,000 rupees worth of Bitcoin. You can create a fixed deposit out of that 10,000, and then annually you are going to get around 6.3% of gain on your investment. In this video, we are going to talk about the maker and taker fee, the deposit fee, the withdrawal fee, compare all the 5 apps and tell you one app that is the best according to your preferences. There's no one app that is the best. Everyone finds different exchanges the best. So I'm going to conclude it with 1 or 2 exchanges that are the best according to your preferences. So first we are going to talk about the maker and taker fee. But before we talk about the maker and taker fee of each exchange, we're going to understand what maker and taker fee actually means. Taker fee is a fee that is charged on transactions that happen immediately, just by a click of a button. And the maker fee is a fee that is charged on the transactions that are pending or happen after some time. They're same for all the exchanges. Like the maker and taker fee will never differ in one exchange. They both will be same. So now that you know the meaning of maker and taker fee, we are going to talk about these for each of the exchanges. So I've noted it down in my notebook. WazirX has a maker and taker fee of 0.2%. Vault has a maker and taker fee of 0.05%. CoinSwitchKuber has a maker and taker fee of 0.00%, means there is no fee. But be aware, this CoinSwitchKuber has few hidden charges that you're not going to be told about, but they are going to charge it in every transaction. CoinDCX has a maker and taker fee of 0.1%, and last is Binance, that has also a maker and taker fee of 0.1%. Next is the deposit fee. Well, the deposit fee is pretty much zero for all the exchanges other than WazirX. WazirX charges a deposit fee of approximately 5.9 rupees. It just varies upon what transaction you're doing, whether you're depositing money through UPI, bank transfer, or any other method. And other than that, all the other exchanges, the deposit fee is 0. But be aware, CoinSwitchKuber has a few additional charges that are hidden, as I already told you. So I don't recommend using this CoinSwitchKuber. The withdrawal charges for all these exchanges is pretty much same. It is 0.0005 Bitcoin. It varies 1 or 2 Bitcoins, but that is not an issue because it is pretty much same. So now comes the conclusion. To conclude which one is the best, I actually recommend for those of you who are first time investors and are looking to start your portfolio, you should actually play around with WazirX because it is a very user friendly interface and you will find it very easy to withdraw money, deposit money and invest just by a click of a button. But overall, for those of you who have been investing for a good period of time, I recommend Binance as it has the minimum fee. But one shortcoming of this Binance app is that when you deposit in INR, you have to actually convert it into USDT. That is US dollars actually to invest. It is just a bit difficult to use, that's it. Otherwise, according to me, it is one of the best exchanges that you want to use because it has a lot of features. So if you want me to make a dedicated video about any of these exchanges, please do let me know in the comments down below. I'll definitely reply to you if you have any doubts, or if you want, I can make a video regarding WazirX or Binance, how to actually open the exchange and invest in it. And if you are a new subscriber or a viewer, please consider sharing the video, and if you haven't actually subscribed, please consider subscribing too. And if you found this video helpful, please comment down below.